Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the presentation for our innovation project, the Whoopee Kit Box. The background. The online learning trend has gained popularity during the COVID-19 pandemic. But some parents express concern about their children's excessive screen time. Screen time is frequently associated with lower levels of physical fitness, mental health, and social well-being. There are actually other activities that can be implemented to help children's early learning experiences and well-being in the home. Our Whoopee Kit Box is the solution. It is based on an influential concept in early childhood care and education, learning through play. Next, I will explain about our Whoopee Kit Box. The Whoopee Kit Box is a unique game, a combination of modeling play with printed-based text. It acts as a guided play where the teachers would deliver the game by setting it up for children to play and target specific areas of development. It is exclusively designed for young children aged 3 to 5 and played in small groups. Each group consists of 3 children. Each set of the Whoopee Kit Box contains 6 different colored modeling clay with 10 printed nouns. The step-by-step instructions. Step number 1, the pronunciation session. The children would try to plan the sounds of the printed words. Step number 2, the reading aloud session. The teacher will show cue cards and try to read the words aloud, and the children would follow the teacher. Additional information might be given to add on children's knowledge and understanding. Step number 3 is the playtime session. A Whoopee Kit Box would be given to each group. The teacher would give the children the freedom to choose the word he or she likes, and the children would mold the object written on the cue card using the colored modeling clay. The teacher will observe the shaping of the clay and assist if necessary. Step number 4, the show and tell session is when the children will show their final product. The key objective of the project is to support children's literacy skills, social skills, hand-eye coordination, dexterity, and playtime. In terms of practicality, the Whoopee Kit Box is easy to use. It is a complete kit box for each group of children. It provides a safe learning environment, carefully selected items to help develop literacy skills and to support social skills, hand-eye coordination, and playtime. It is also aligned with the target lexical items suggested in the preschool English language component by the Ministry of Education Malaysia, relevant to preschool setting. In terms of the novelty, the Whoopee Kit Box complies to Islamic values, increases literacy skills meaningfully, and encourages learning through play. The impact of the innovation. Number 1, it supports literacy skills. It enhances hand-eye coordination, dexterity. It improves social skills and promotes playtime. Next is the important contributions of the innovation. It instills the love for learning in young children. Learning is fun. Allows more interactions between teacher-children and children-children. It improves social well-being of young children. Achievements. We participated in 1 contest and published in online platforms. We have started our collaboration with Al-Amin Surf in May. These are our team members. Thank you and have a nice day.